Automated Compact Endotoxin Measurement System KLANOS is an automated system specialized for endotoxin testing. This system consists of the main unit, the dedicated software Toximaster FQC1, and a control PC. First, we will introduce the low-cost and compact design, which are the main features of KLANOS. KLANOS can reduce the cost of installation compared to conventional automated system. Furthermore, it has achieved a more compact desktop design without reducing the processing capacity of the conventional automated system. Next, we will explain the testing process, comparing the conventional plate reader with KLANOS. An endotoxin test using a plate reader requires about 150 minutes from preparation to the end of measurement. Once you have introduced KLANOS, the examiner only needs to spend about 20 minutes preparation before measurement, so the majority of the time required for sample preparation can be reduced. Let's take a look at the operation of KLANOS. When the test begins, water for bacterial endotoxins test is dispensed in order to create a dilution series for the calibration curve. Next, a series of dilutions is made from the undiluted solution of the standard endotoxin that has been dissolved in advance, and a calibration curve sample is created. The test sample is prepared on a microplate. The prepared sample is dispensed into the measurement plate. The lysate reagent is dissolved. After dissolution, it is repeatedly added to each sample. Finally, the plate is stirred and measurement begins. By automating the entire process from preparation to measurement in this way, human error can be reduced. After the measurement is complete, Toximaster FQC1 calculates the measurement results and creates a test report. This system also supports compliance with ERES guidelines, FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and data integrity. It is also possible to integrate LIMS. Automated Compact Endotoxin Measurement System KLANOS supports the improvement of operational efficiency and the reliability of testing. If you would like a detailed explanation of this system, a quotation, or a demonstration, please feel free to contact us.